Hi, guys. You know, guys, I have been following the case of the YSL case for the gentlemen that were accused of
Good morning, everybody. We have a verdict. We have
a
two
crime.
and I
The
do not
verdict
want there to
has
be any kind of
been
disruption or
released.
disturbance in court, regardless of what
And I
this
just wanted
verdict
to
is.
conclude
So,
to
can
show
jury
what the
out,
last
please?
two defendants and how the case has been unraveling. Today is the verdict for the last remaining two gentlemen in Atlanta, Georgia. They were accused of RICO charges. And I just wanted to get the verdict since I had Young Thug's verdict. These two young men were accused of RICO in Atlanta. The system in Atlanta is considered to be corrupt. And these gentlemen are on trial or has been on trial for a year being accused of RICO. Now the verdict is being set, and initially, here's the verdict. Here's the verdict, and it's being handed.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that you all have reached a verdict. Mr. Foreperson, is that correct? All right. And was it
This could
unanimous?
happen to
All
anyone.
right. And this
The
verdict
justice
has been
system
filled in
can
and
be
signed
corrupt,
dated by
and
you,
in
correct?
Atlanta it is.
For each
And it's
defendant.
not just
All right. I
Atlanta.
noticed that
It's other
Mr. Kendrick's
places
verdict
in the
form
United
is dated
States.
December 2nd. Is that because that's when you all reached the verdict?
Keep an open mind. It could be
him?
your
Okay.
son, your
And then
daughter,
Mr.
your
Stillwell's is
nephew,
dated
your
the-
child.
Okay.
Race has
All
nothing to
right,
do with it when it
Mr.
comes
Kendrick,
to the legal system. If they want
you have been found
to bring
not
somebody
guilty
down,
on
they
all
will.
charges.
Listen. Oh, wait a minute. I talked during that
Mr.
part.
Stillwell,
Listen, let me go back on that,
can you please
guys.
stand?
Let me go back on that. Hold on.
Okay. And then Mr. Stillwell's is dated today. Okay. All right, Mr. Kendrick, you have been found not guilty on all charges.
Yes. Not guilty.
Mr. Stillwell, can you please stand? You have been found guilty on count 64, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and not guilty on every other charge.
Yes. Not guilty. Not guilty.
So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are officially released from further service, and I cannot express the degree of thanks that Fulton County owes you for your service. Given the length of this trial, you have paid close attention this entire time, and I appreciate your devotion, as I'm sure do the parties in this case.
Yes.
You are welcome to stay for the sentencing.
And he got stabbed in jail 2 days ago. See that cut on over his head? He got stabbed in jail.
In the jury room, if you all
That cut on his head is by a prisoner.
Objection to the form or
He got stabbed
of this verdict?
2 days ago.
Any from the defense?
That's a wound.
All right. All right. Is there any reason that we can't go ahead and sentence? You may.
Yeah, he was stabbed in jail, guys. He was stabbed while he was in jail. And the thing is, it's, oops.
You can shop online anywhere with the shop.
So many cases, exactly.
Your favorite grocery aisle can be your couch.
Whoa. I'm going to get right to it. She's a lawyer for the state. Those are the state lawyers to the left.
Are we going to go ahead with sentencing? Is the state, I know the state had filed a recidivist notice. Do y'all intend to stand on that? Yes. All right. So the recidivist is A and C recidivist. That means that I have no discretion but to sentence to the maximum on that count. And the sentence possibility
For you
is
guys
up to
coming
10.
in,
I must
they were
sentence
found
to
not
10
guilty.
years. However, I can probate any part of that sentence at my discretion. And so the court sentence on count 64 for Mr. Stillwell is going to be 10 years to serve 2, with credit for time served, the balance served on probation. All right, I am gonna recess. I'm going to recess for a moment, and we will reconvene on the status conference in a few minutes.
Yes, guys, I'm going to go now. But yeah, they were found not guilty of all charges. Yak Gotti and Stillwell, the other guy, he was found not guilty only of one charge of the possession of a gun. And
You have 30 days to file a
wait.
motion for new trial. If you choose to do that, your attorneys will
There they are.
represent you on that unless they are excused.
I know they
from
shocked. They're
representation
shocked.
by
I know they
me.
can't believe it.
You also have 30 days.
Sitting in
from
jail for
either
2 to
this
3
date
years
or the
for
date the
nothing.
motion for new trial is ruled upon to file a direct appeal if that's something you would like to do.
Both of them got
And,
stabbed in jail.
given that this is a felony conviction, you would have 4 years from the date that those direct appeals are finished to file a habeas corpus petition challenging anything about the constitutionality of this conviction and sentence. All right.
Yes, they both got stabbed in jail before, guys. I'm going to end. I'll see you guys for your reading probably in another hour or two. I may start it early. All right, everyone. Bye.